How to remove write protection from removable storage. Plug the USB flash drive into your Windows PC. Click Start menu. Type regedit into search bar. Click regedit. Click the /local_machine folder. Click the System folder. Click the current control set folder. Select the control folder. Click Edit. Select New. Click Key. Change the key's name, storage device policies, and press Enter. Click Edit. Select New. Click DWord. Change the key's name, write protect, and press Enter. Double-click DWord value. Change the value number to 0. Click OK. This fixed the read-only error from your removable storage item. Thanks for watching video.